Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Remitly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Recipients, Send, Rewards, and Manage. Tap on Manage. Now under Manage, you can see options like Profile, Settings, Payment Methods, Redeem Offer, etc. Tap on Payment Methods. Then on the top right corner, you're gonna see Add option. Tap on it, then give the payment details like card number, expiration date, security code, your name, your card nickname, and billing address. Then tap on Save from the bottom right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you add payment method on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.